Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Thea George and I'm here with David Puth from CLS. We're at Sibos 2017 in Toronto and we're talking about foreign exchange. David, thank you very much for joining me.
Thea, thank you for having me.
To start with, can you bring us up to speed with some of the big picture trends shaping the FX market right now?
I think I can talk about foreign exchange from two aspects. One is there have been some emerging trends in the dollar and in emerging markets. That is a change from the early part of this year and the relative quiescence that the market had experienced for a long time. So we've had a reasonably healthy sell-off in the dollar, particularly against European currencies, and some weakness in emerging market currencies. So a pickup in activity which has been reflected in the numbers that we track within CLS. But the second is a continued move to advancements in technology and a real change in market structure as a result of that change in technology. Market participants, whether they be banks or non-bank financial institutions, are transacting in an entirely different way than they did in the past. And I think that's an exciting trend that's likely to continue and perhaps accelerate.
So can you tell me as well about some of the data processing settlement trends in the market and the challenges there and how CLS is addressing them?
I think it's becoming overly cliched to say that data is the new oil, but it's something that we think about all the time. Foreign exchange data is, there's a wealth of information out there in the market. We're pleased at CLS that we possess a good deal of that data from 18 of the largest currencies in the world. And we are looking for ways that we can help our clients develop that data, use that data to greater effectiveness. But I think data and the way data is used is on an entirely new trend. No longer is it simple enough just to take a look at market data and assess where market trends are going. One needs to dig much deeper, and that's the focus that we have as a company.
So you've been here in Toronto for a few days. What are your main impressions of Sibos this year?
Well, I think it's been a great set of sessions, but one can't help but to be truly struck by the commitment to presence here from distributed ledger and blockchain. If you look through the lectures, if you look at the stands, you'll see representation from so many different companies. Clearly, that business is on a tremendous rise. Put aside the incredible move in cryptocurrencies and focus on ledgers as a potential solution. I think that's a very exciting trend, one that we're taking part in at CLS, and I would expect you'll see even more of this next year at Sibos.
David, this has been great. Thank you very much.
Thank you again.
And thank you for watching.